Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Nickel and Dining. I'm coming to you with this fall collaboration hosted by the lovely Christina at DIY Mommy. Christina is awesome. She has DIYs, home decor, and a lot of great tips for us. And I wanted to come in and share with you guys my fall DIY is this wreath. If you'd like to see how I made this wreath, stay tuned and keep watching. Okay, the items that we are going to be using in this DIY fall wreath is 3 of the Dollar Tree pumpkins, and I have already previously painted them with a with this pearl white acrylic paint, paper plates, some floral wire, floral cutters, some glitter and a fine paintbrush, glue sticks, glue gun, your choice of ribbons. I'm using some of this burlap, some silver, and some black and white. Also, you're going to need your Mod Podge, and I got a lot because you know it's that time of the year. This harvest sign here, that, if I can pick it up, that we got 3 in a pack from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using some flowers of your choice. This lamb's ear garland. And of course, you guys, this here, let's see, 24-inch embroidery hoop. So, alright guys, let's get started. Here I am just taking my iridescent glue mixed in with my chunky silver glue, and I'm spreading a little Mod Podge over the top of my 3 pumpkins, and I'm going to add some glitter to the top. Now I'm adding my fine glitter to the top of the stems. I thought it would be cute just to have the finer glitter thicker on the top of the stems. And next we have our harvest sign, and I wanted to give this a little bit of shine, so I'm putting a little bit of Mod Podge on there, but I don't want to cover up the whole harvest sign with glitter because I still want you to be able to see the galvanized of the sign. So I'm going to lightly spread the Mod Podge on the sign, and then I'm going to use some of my glitter. Next, I'm going to take my sunflowers and add a little bit of this fine silver glitter into the center. And I thought this was going to be super cute. Now, here I had opened up the embroidery hoop, and I'm trying to position it and using a little bit of glue. I wanted to add a little banner with this black and white Jester ribbon, and so I'm adding a little bit of glue just to hold it in place so that I can be able to stretch the ribbon tautly on each side as tight as I can get it. And as you can see, I had to play with it just a little bit to try to get it as tight as I can. And then I'm tightening back up my embroidery hoop. Next, I'm adding this beautiful lamb's ear garland, and I did not want to cut it, so what I did is just doubled it up, and it also worked out because it made it look a little bit thicker, because I wanted, as you go up the wreath, it would appear to be thicker. I love this lamb's ear garland, and I'm just using my wire to attach it. Next, you guys, let's just add the flowers, and I didn't want to use the greenery from my flowers, so I slid down the greenery, and just with my wire cutters I wanted to cut off the stems. And the reason why I didn't glue the flowers is because if you want to use these and stick them in another arrangement or in a vase, you know, you still can, because it has a little bit of the stem left on here. So here's, guys, this is the fun part. I love actually adding the flowers to it, because it makes the wreath complete. And I'll have to play around with it. You know, you can use any flowers of your choice. I just used some peonies and my glitter sunflowers and my little lamb's ear and a little bit of baby breath to fill it in. Just a little bit, just to give it that fall look. I also added a bow and my sign to my banner, you guys. Okay, everyone, and here is my finished wreath, and I absolutely love how it turned out. So glam with the burlap, makes it a little bit rustic, and the embroidery hoop, I love the wood of it. I didn't want to cover it up too much. And here is a close-up, you guys, of my wreath. Very beautiful. Very huge in size, you guys. I absolutely love how it turned out. And if you like this wreath also, give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment, and go over and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my DIYs and my decor for this fall season. Now, this is not where I plan on hanging this wreath. I just had it temporarily here because I didn't want to give away my entryway for the fall, not just yet, until I do my tour. So this will be going in my entryway, you guys. And I want to thank Christina again over at DIY Mommy for hosting this great fabulous open collaboration, you guys. And I hope to see you again. Until next time, bye.